Force have kindly lent us their TT6 turntable chipper to use on site today. We're really excited. It's great for narrow access and driveways like this where you want to go perpendicular. All sets up pretty easily. We can't wait to get stuck in. Yeah. Go. The chipper's been great today. Performance-wise, it's just as good as anything else we've used. And the versatility of the turntable means we can just turn up to the driveway, turn it round, and it leaves us all this room for stacking space. This is a great chipper. We've enjoyed using it. It's perfect for suburban areas and tight spaces. Great job for us.